One of the tasks that everybody hates doing when they're doing valve springs on a Barra or rebuilding the engine is bleeding the hydraulic lifters. So something that we use all the time is our lifter bleeder tool. So super easy, the lifters just drop straight in to the tool, and then we simply walk over to the press and we get them bled down in a couple of pumps. So totally simplifies the process and saves a hell of a lot of time versus bleeding them one by one. So we've then got the lifters all in the actual bleeding block. You simply walk over to the press now and we drop them in. Press and sit that in. Set it up square, lock it up, and simply run it through the process. So yeah, we just get that in the press and then give that a few pumps down. You'll see those start to compress. Takes about 3 cycles of it going through. You'll feel them bottom out a little bit further each time, and then they are good to go. So as you can see, all the oil has started to bleed out of those. We run that through 2 or 3 cycles, then you're pretty confident all the oil is out and they are ready to clean up and drop back in the engine.